Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be teaching you how you can teach your kids about circle time. So for that you need to make a circle time board, which I will teach you how to make it at home easily. So for that you need to have the basic things that are days of the weeks, months of the year, few seasons, few weathers, few numbers that they can learn the dates from. So make sure you have the templates. I'll put the links of the template in the description box below, and you make sure that you laminate them and resize them according to the board that you are using. So these are the things that I need for the board. I cut them according to the size. So I have seasons, weather, numbers, days of the week, which are like the basic things that you need to teach your kids at home. So let's put them together. So I took a board by the size of 14 by 19, and I took a cloth material, and now I'm going to apply some glue so that we can stick the material and put our cutouts on the board. Make sure that you apply lots and lots of glue so that the cloth can be stick properly. Now turn it around and make sure that you cut out properly. Make it look neat and clean. Now it's time to assemble all the things that we cut for the board. Okay, so I am using a double-sided tape. Make sure that you apply glue instead of the tape, because the material that I used was not letting the tape stick. I thought the double-sided tape will make it look neat and clean, but the material was not letting it stick, so I applied the glue later on. So I was making this for the first time, so for my experience, using a double-sided tape on a cloth material was not a good idea. I will put all the links of the template in the description box, so you can go and print them out and laminate them and have a circle time board for your kids, and making them learn about date, time, seasons and weather is a great and easier way. These are the months, these are the days. You have to put the date, day, month, year, okay, with season and with weather. Okay, weather and then seasons, and then this is, you have to place the date. Okay, so today is 19th. 19th? Yeah, 19th of February. Can you write 19 over here?
119?
Yes. Okay. All right. Now, today is Friday. Where is Friday? Friday. All right. Now, this is the month. It is February. Where is February? Yeah.
Mama, बार-बार ये क्यों होता है?
Okay. Now, you will write. Very good. Now give the marker to her. Okay. Now you will place the season. Which season is going on? Summer, autumn, winter, spring.
Winter. No.
Winters are finished now. Which season has come? All the flowers are blooming.
Yeah, this one.
Season is going on. Can you put spring here? Yeah, I know. Okay. And what's the weather right now?
Cold.
The weather. What's the weather right now?
Now there's
Cloudy.
No, cloudy. Why, Mama? Cloudy. Mama, cloudy.
Ji, tell me the month.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, October.
December.
December.
How many months are there in a year?
12.
12. Good job.